What's up, YouTube? Yeah, today is a very good day. I'm actually having one of my mates come over, Dwayne. He has one fucking sick car, Renault Meganr RS, that he actually put a wide body kit on that he made himself. Made splitters, everything, made himself. So yeah, I'll show you a short video of that. But main event of today is actually Dwayne and I are going to be installing the coilovers onto the Mark 6. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see what it's going to look like. Obviously I have no experience at all doing this, so yeah, we'll see what happens. But obviously he's here to help me and he has some experience as well, so yeah, keen to see how things go. Okay guys, Dwayne is here. Here he is. Damn, just look at that beast. Yeah guys, this car is so sick, I can't wait to do a review on this. Wat sê jy, chom? Lekker. Daar's een hier, ek like hierdie tire lettering. Fok. Dit lyk befok, hè. Sê jy? Lekker. Yes. Ek het ja. Nee, ek like it. Yeah, I love it. Guys, this is Dwayne. He's gonna help me today with installing the coilovers. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. We only have a certain amount of time, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so got back after putting the top hats on. Busy putting on the left hand side now. So yeah, we'll see what the struggles are, but hopefully it doesn't go too long because we don't really have a lot of time to finish this. Both have shit to do. Yeah, Hey guys, this is my little nephew. Yeah, so we struggled actually the whole fucking day to, sorry about that, it's a bit blurry, but we struggled the whole day, more or less, to get it in. But we got it done. Just gonna edit the video and then we'll upload it. But be sure there's many more mods, not just for my car, but we think we're gonna plan some stuff for his car as well, and definitely a review sometime soon.